Tutorial video to install and tune AM Dexilon G10V EAS anti-theft system. Dexilon systems can have several configurations and types of installation: one transceiver, combination of transceiver-receiver, or receiver-transceiver-receiver, any number of transceivers in line, and any number of interposed transceivers and receivers in line. Before installation, use separate lighting points for each system to avoid interference or electrical noise. If possible, install the system far from discharge lamps, LCD screens, and other devices which can interfere with the operation of the system. Ensure antennas are placed within the recommended limits for each type of tag. For combinations of more than one transceiver, turn on and tune the systems one by one to prevent interference and testing errors. Go to the download section of our website, dexilon.com, and download the latest version of our tuning software. Connection. Firstly, connect the power supply to the electricity network. Then connect from either power supply port to the black RJ45 port of the transceiver. To do so, use the black cable provided with polarized connectors. Now, use the beige cable supplied to connect the transceiver and the receiver. Always, for every antenna configuration, connect the red port to the grey port or vice versa, the grey to the red. Never connect the same colors. Tuning. Connect the transceiver to the PC via the blue RJ45 port using the cable provided. If your PC does not have an RS-232 port, use a USB RS-232 adapter. Run the tuning software and turn on the power supply. Then, set up communication between the PC and the system. Select Settings, choose the appropriate serial port, and click OK. Once in the control panel, verify that there is transmission and it is synchronized. To do so, click the Transmitter tab and check voltage and temperature values of the antenna. If values are correct, the indicators will show green. All AM anti-theft systems need to be transmitting at the same time as other AM systems which may be nearby. To see graphically the synchronization among systems, use Discovery mode by clicking the On button. On the Discovery screen, the timing of our transceiver signal will be represented in green, and other transceiver signals, if any, will be shown in red. If there are red blocks on the Discovery screen, it means there is another AM system around. If the green blocks, which indicate our transmission, do not match the red blocks, the system needs to be synchronized. To synchronize, adjust the delay parameter until the green blocks match the red blocks. Repeat these steps in the red channel tab where the receiver antenna is connected. In the case of having a receiver on the grey port, repeat these steps in the grey channel tab. Now the system is adjusted to meet your needs. If you need more detection coverage, it is necessary to extend the range of the system with more antennas. Testing. Perform detection tests with more than one tag to optimize detection levels. Observe the operation of the system for 30 minutes to verify it is functioning correctly.